Welcome back to the channel Cat Comrade, and in today's video we are going to learn about the quickest and the best ever measuring tape you will ever get on any AutoCAD trick tool. So basically the thing is that if you want to measure this size, so you always have to type DIM, or you will have to type measure for taking the measurements, and you every time have to click from here to here, then again this, then again the the measurement will not be in scale, then you again have to scale it. But let's say what you are just in a discussion and just want to know what are the measurements of the measurements and sizes of the lines and spaces are. So there is a very simple trick to do this. It is known as measure geom. Just you have to write measure geom, which is right over here, and just select it, press enter, and it will directly give you a measuring arm that will tell you the the measurements of the spaces and the lines that you have selected. Like, see, right now the measure geom is right over here. As you can see, it is moving, and it has touched actually four lines and one space, so it is telling exactly all the dimensions of that four lines. Like the longest horizontal line is of 7,000, and the vertical line is of 4,400, and the spaces are 2 to 2000 and 3,400 and stuff like that. So basically wherever you hover it, even in the smallest space, it will tell you what the spaces are. So here also it is telling the diameter of the circle, that is 100. It is right over here also, and if you go over here also, then also it's the same way. It will tell all the measurements of the sizes that are available for it. So basically, like, see, here also you will get what it has selected, right? Like the length of the platform is 3,000, the width of it is 700. So basically this is very helpful when you just know you just want to have a discussion with a client, or discussion with a vendor for quotations and things like that. So these things really help in that case. So this was the trick for today. The command's name is measure geom. Right over here, you can click a snapshot of it, which is right over here, measuregeom. So this is a very amazing trick to actually be quick at measuring things when you are in a middle of a discussion. So try to remember this, and think it like a quickest measuring trick that you got. If you like the video, then you can share it with someone who may need it, and thank you.